I'm Vijay. I'm from Bangalore. We already have a startup. Its name is Enflare. It focuses on digital literacy. But our aim is to make India a totally digital literate country where a lot of people use smart devices. So we want to bring education on smart devices. Digital literacy, like, it has a far reach. I mean, the reach is like totally everywhere. We actually have very big institutions in India, but when you see rural areas, they kind of miss out on primary education. So when we actually grow, we actually require, we might require funds. We might, have to connect to new people.
We need mentorship also. Yeah. I'm Nitin, and the main thing we're focusing here is the CBSE students, like 9th and 10th standard. For now, we are actually looking for 9th and 10th standard students of CBSE syllabus, and then later we expand to ICSE and state syllabus also. So we need some mentorship, and
we need to. We want this to reach out to as many people as possible throughout the country.
We are working on the prototype for now, and our website is getting done in 2 weeks. And then we are getting legally incorporated. That is after the website is done. We are planning stuff right now.
We're actually trying to make everything, innovative for students. Everything that's possible, something that makes the student happy, and something which makes it less hectic.
The main thing is the digital literacy. No one's done this, so we are bringing this up. Like voice lessons for students. They can while going to school, they have time. They listen to songs instead of that. They can listen to a chapter which is very tough. So
it's like people mistake this to e-learning or internet tutoring, but this is not exactly like that. It's like education on demand. It's like when you want something. Imagine you're doing a lesson in math, you're solving some problems, but you don't have a textbook. So he can just contact us on our phone number or our mail, and we'll just send him the most important things that are required for his exam the next day. So we just give it to him.
It's like education on demand.
Whatever he wants, he gets it. It's like he wants it, he gets it. So it's like this is our plan. So we just want to see.
We are a group of 7 to 8 students. We are studying first year engineering now, and we just got this like 3 to 4 months back.
We just started, and we have quite a few customers, but we want to increase. So we want to do something much better. So
we are not tied up with schools as yet, but we are unofficially with the students. We have a tie-ups. Actually,
choosing an indirect route where you first encircle the students and then you go to the schools.